A core bit is often shorter than the hole that you need to drill. But we have an easy solution for that. Welcome to the tips and tricks, this time about core bit extensions. We have different extensions depending on what chuck type your tool has. There is BI, there is BL, there is BS. Some of them are made of steel to be strong, some of them are made of aluminium to be light. You can combine multiple extensions to each other. And if you allow, my favorite is the steel 500mm BS extension combined with a BL to BS adapter and a BL to BS adapter. That combination gives me a very long, over 600mm long BL extension that I can also transfer to a BS extension. There is nothing left to extend this episode anymore. Happy coring! See you next time!